Greetings. In this video, we will be going on how to automate pricing. This allows your products to always stay within the buy box range. To do so, simply go to Pricing, click on Automate Pricing, go to Create a New Pricing Rule. I suggest selecting Competitive Buy Box, name your pricing rule, proceed to Marketplace selection, click the marketplace you wish to, save and continue, and then I suggest clicking Match the Buy Box Price. You can also click Stay below the buy box price or Stay above the buy box price. However, it is never a good idea to stay below the buy box price because you can trigger a pricing war and drive the price of your product down, destroying the profits. That being said, I always do Match the Buy Box Price, and then I leave all these others with the pre-selected options. However, you can edit it if you want to, and then go to Save this rule in Amazon.com, proceed to SKU selection, and then you're able to choose your minimum price, your maximum price, and then you're able to start to automate pricing.